Hello and welcome to our live broadcast. I'm Kritika Vij from Chef Buddy's marketing team. So today we will be discussing about the importance of building trust and credibility while running your food business. But before proceeding, please let me know if you all can hear me by clicking on the like or the love icons on your screens. So as most of you are aware that Chef Buddy is a free app that is available for home chefs, bakers and food businesses across India. With the Chef Buddy app, you can create beautiful looking menus, manage all your orders in one place, and also keep a track of your sales and expenses on a weekly and monthly basis. Basically, with the Chef Buddy app, you can manage your business like a pro. So, over the last few months, we've spoken to a lot of sellers through our series, which a lot of you have been following, the Smart Chef success stories. We've also interacted with thousands of sellers while working on the Chef Buddy app. One thing that has come out from all these conversations steadily and uniformly is that trust is the most important thing in a food business, for a food business. So if the customers trust you, they will order from you. Before I proceed and introduce our very special guest today, let me just ask you one question. How do you collect feedback from your customers? How do they share their feedback with you? And how do you save it? So today I have with me our co-founder, Chef Buddy's co-founder, Rachna Rao. Rachna and I will be discussing the importance of building trust, building credibility, and we'll also be discussing about Chef Buddy's latest app update, latest feature that helps chefs with doing just that. Welcome, Rachna.
Hi Kritika,
And
very happy to be here with you
yes,
on this broadcast today. And this is a topic that I feel very passionately about. It's very close to my heart, right?
yeah.
Um, so yeah,
So,
let
Rachna,
me go ahead.
sure. Just before we begin, I would like to tell our viewers that if you have any questions during this live
Right.
regarding this feature or anything about the app, please put it down in the comments and we will take them up after our discussion. So, Rachna, I'm sure the viewers are waiting to know from you what you think why trust is important.
Right. So, like I said, right, I feel very passionately and very strongly about this topic. Let me ask you all a how do you decide whether you should order from someone, right? When you're ordering food from a home chef or a restaurant or anywhere, right? How do you decide if you should go ahead and actually order that food, right? Usually it is two
Yeah.
things that happen, right? One, either you directly trust that person or that business, or somebody whom you trust a lot has told you about that business, right? So the
Right.
first the first point is basically trust. Either I know that person or somebody whom I trust has told me about that business or that person and I order from them. Now the second thing is basically ratings, right? Now a lot of restaurants who sell food
Mm-hmm.
on the different delivery platforms, they have ratings and all of that that accumulate over time, right? So if I'm ordering food
Absolutely.
from a restaurant and I check out the ratings and I see that it's rated 4.3, that gives me the confidence to go ahead and order, right?
Yeah.
So for a home food business, right, majority of the orders happen on chat or through phone calls, right? I'm sure our viewers
Yes.
would agree, assuming we have home chefs listening to us, a lot of your orders come on chat, they come via phone, they come on social media like Facebook, Instagram, etc.
Yeah.
Now, because of this, home chefs are very dependent on the chain of trust, right? The word of mouth. Like somebody has to try the food and then tell somebody who then tries the food and then tells somebody else, right? So that's how the word spreads.
True.
However, there's no digital page. There's no online identity where someone brand new can actually check it out and will know everything about the home chef, right? For
Yeah.
example, assume you are a chef, right? Chef Kritika. Now, there is this new person in your locality who's looking for food. And somebody tells her that, hey, yeah, I heard that Kritika sells food, you can order from her. But the person telling her has not ordered, from you. So now this
Yeah.
new person reaches out to you, and you can say that, yeah, I've been selling for like 2 years, 3 years, but like there's no record for it, right? You can't send like a
Mm-hmm.
portfolio or a website of your own where they can go check out everything. most home chefs don't have that, right? So
True.
we started thinking like, how can we help home chefs grow faster? Like if a brand new customer is interested in ordering home cooked food, how can you convince them very easily? Like even if they don't know you directly or they don't know one of your customers directly, how can
Yeah.
they immediately be convinced to order from you? What is that online identity that we can help a home chef create, right? That's what we've been thinking about.
Wow. Okay. So I think that's very clear, like how the idea behind this new feature came to be, what we will be discussing in a little while. In fact, we have Nidhi here and Barkha, Asha. Hello, all of you.
Okay,
Nidhi even, Nidhi is even agreeing that trust is everything. She's also been a home chef
awesome.
for a really long
Hi
time.
Nidhi, hi Barka, hi Asha.
So that's great to see, we have people who actually can relate to this. Now, we know how the idea behind profiles came to be. Can you tell us a little more about it? What are the profiles on the Chef Buddy app?
So basically, if you go to the Chef Buddy app, there's a section called Profile, and that section is where you can add all possible details about yourself, right? What do you stand for as a business? Like, are
Right.
you do you sell pure veg food? Do you use only organic material? Like, what kind of a
Mm-hmm.
home food business are you, right? And what
Right.
kind of cuisines do you specialize in? Do you take orders for parties? Do you take orders for catering? So basically, any information that you
Mm-hmm.
want a new customer to know about you, right? You should put on the profile page, the profile section of the Chef
Okay.
Buddy app. You can display testimonials, feedback that you've received from other customers. All of that you can
Wonderful.
display over here. And if you're already using the Chef Buddy app to record orders, right? So, for example, let's assume that Nidhi received 10 orders on WhatsApp yesterday, and she's already
Mm-hmm.
gone to the Chef Buddy app and she's put those down there. The profile section will automatically say that the count will increase. The count keeps
Okay.
increasing. So if you're selling for like few years and you've been using the Chef Buddy app to anyway record and manage your orders, your profile page
Mm-hmm.
automatically will get better and better as time goes by.
Right. Okay, that's very interesting. So you mentioned that the order count gets updated automatically, and you can
Right.
even display feedback that you get from customers.
Yes.
So we'll definitely be showing the profile towards the end. But one thing that I am curious to know, and I'm sure our viewers also have this question. As a chef, you create a profile on the Chef Buddy app, but
Right.
how do the buyers see that profile? Do they have to download the app?
No, so the Chef Buddy app is only for the sellers, is only for the home chefs, right? And home bakers. Like if you're selling food, the app is for you.
Okay.
A profile is nothing but a personal website for a home chef, So
Mm-hmm.
just like websites have, say, www dot, restaurantname.com. As a home chef, you can have your own website link that will be chefbuddy.biz, www.chefbuddy.biz/Nidhi 123,
Okay.
or /Barkha /Kritika. So basically, it's a very easy way for a home chef to create their own personal website. And just like a website link is distributed, is spread to other people, what you can do is you can display this profile link in your WhatsApp group description, right? If you have a WhatsApp group with your customers, just put the profile link in the group description section so that anybody new who joins your group can just click on that and they know everything about you. They don't even have to like ask anyone or like nothing, right? It's all there.
Correct.
And also there's a button in the profile page itself. Like, so suppose the buyer clicks on your profile link and they like what they see. They are like, okay, I need to contact this person. Through there itself, there's a button where they can click on it and WhatsApp you. So if
Okay.
suppose you put your profile link on your Facebook page, you put it on your Instagram page, you put it on your WhatsApp group description, even somebody brand new who lands on your Facebook page and clicks on this link will be able to send you a message through this profile of yours, right? So it's basically
Great.
it's
Yeah.
like your own website which you can create for free, right? I mean, it's really difficult to create a website. You need it's not easy for anybody to
Absolutely.
just go and create a website for themselves. So we want to make it super easy. Any home chef can go create this profile on the Chef Buddy app. You click on the share profile button, and that link is your personal website link, which you can share with your customers. You can share on your social media pages. You can share it literally everywhere, and customers can, reach out to you through that profile page.
Amazing. This is very exciting because, it's like you rightly mentioned, it's very difficult to create a website. Not everyone can do it instantly.
Yes.
But with the Chef Buddy app, it's very easy now to create your own profile, which is just like a website and can be shared very easily on all platforms, chat and social media. So I'm sure everyone's curious to even see what a profile looks like. And Rekha's also joined. Hi, Rekha. So,
hi, Rekha.
Yeah. So let's show them now what a profile actually looks like on the Chef Buddy app.
So yeah, so this is basically Rita's Cakery. So if Chef Rita went to the Chef Buddy app, made her profile, and generated that profile link, and now you can clearly see, right, her images. You can see what she specializes in. You can see which areas she serves. Those are customer testimonials, like below the images. Like for example, if so Rita, what she would have done is sent a feedback link through the profile section to her customers, received testimonials, and whichever testimonials you want to display on your profile, you can display it. Obviously, I'm sure chefs get hundreds of feedback. You can't display everything. So you can pick and choose what you want to display. So anybody going to this page, right, can just click on that WhatsApp button if they like what they see, or the send enquiry button, and reach out to Rita and place an order. It's that simple, right? And Rita doesn't even need to know this person personally. She's not dependent on that word of mouth anymore. If this was there on Rita's Facebook page, I'm sure the number of people visiting her chef Facebook page could have easily clicked on this and sent a request.
Absolutely, yeah. So I'm sure this is all of you who are watching us right now would find this very useful for all the home food businesses. This brings us to the end of the discussion. But if you have any questions, do let us know in the comments. We will take them up even after the live. Our team will be getting back to you. So, well, I hope you all will be making your profiles very soon. Just update your app if you still don't see that option of profiles, and get going. Make your own personal website in just a few minutes.
Yeah, it's only on Android right now, coming soon on iOS.
Yes, very important.
If you have an Android phone, update the app, you'll have access to this. iOS, you just have to wait for a few more days, maybe a week or so, and it should be available soon.
It'll be available soon. All right, thank you so much, Rachna. I hope everyone found this useful. And well, so that's it from our side. Do let us know your questions. We'll get back to you. All right, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.